Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. This finished building is beautiful 351 Windsor roller cam engine. This is the 410 horsepower turnkey package going into our customer's 1973 Ford Falcon right-hand drive. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have again the 351 Windsor engine, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made. It's real nice Taylor American made ignition wires in the hot lime green. All the wire markers are on there. Proper front sump oil pan for the customer's Falcon. Brass freeze plugs installed. Oil pressure extension all set up. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter, high flow fuel pump in there. We have these real nice ball milled polished valve covers with a matching 14-inch air cleaner with a washable air filter. MSD ignition coil. Distributors all set in place. Throttle return spring and bracket hooked up on there. Standard flywheel for the customer's 73 Falcon. Pilot bearing is installed in there. We have the real nice serpentine Raptor Pulley Kit, the polished Pulley Kit on here. This is a real nice system. It has the self-tensioning belt tensioner, maintenance free. It'll always keep the belt at the proper tension. This is a real nice setup. Customers getting just the alternator and power steering. But later on, if he wants to hook up an AC compressor, it's very simple. He just removes the idler pulley and mounts the AC compressor in place. Then he doesn't have to buy a different pulley kit. He can use the existing pulley kit, and that's an option later on if he wants to. So that's a nice feature. We got the high flow aluminum water pump, passenger side lower hose on there, the heavy duty 160 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup right there, power steering's hooked up, pump, reservoirs attached, real easy to hook up, the pressure line, and then the opposite return there. So every engine is live run for over an hour. It's all dialed in. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings on it. Photos of the entire engine build will be sent to you. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call. We'll custom build your engine. We've been in business for over 50 years, family owned and operated business, EngineFactory.com. So send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Give us a call at 1-800-326-6554. Thanks for watching.